Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve tipping on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve tipping on Roblox app, you should just go to the app of settings as you see and you click. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this list, you will search about Roblox and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds, and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again, your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.